Hello and welcome to this video on how to start a plastic injection molding business. As a mold maker engineer with years of experience in the industry, I'm excited to share with you the step-by-step process of starting your own plastic injection molding business. Step 1. Conduct market research before you start your plastic injection molding business. It's essential to conduct thorough market research. This will help you understand the demand for your products, identify potential customers, and assess the competition. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Once you've completed your market research, it's time to develop a business plan. Your plan should include your company's mission and vision, target market, marketing and sales strategies, financial projections, and more. Having a solid plan in place will help you stay focused and make informed decisions. Step 3. Secure funding. Starting a plastic injection molding business can require a significant amount of capital. You'll need to secure funding to cover the cost of equipment, materials, facilities, and more. Consider applying for business loans, seeking investors, or exploring crowdfunding options. Step 4. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Before you can start operating your business, you'll need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits. These requirements vary by location, so it's important to check with your local government to ensure you have all the necessary paperwork in order. Step 5. Purchase equipment and materials. Once you have secured funding and obtained the necessary licenses and permits, it's time to purchase equipment and materials for your plastic injection molding business. This includes injection molding machines, molds, raw materials, and more. Consider working with reputable suppliers to ensure you're getting high-quality equipment and materials. Step 6. Hire and train employees. Your plastic injection molding business will require skilled employees to operate the equipment and produce quality products. Hire and train employees who have experience in plastic injection molding and who are committed to quality and safety. Step 7. Start production. With all the pieces in place, it's time to start production. Work closely with your team to ensure that products are being produced to your desired specifications and that quality control measures are in place. In conclusion, starting a plastic injection molding business requires careful planning, market research, securing funding, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, purchasing equipment and materials, hiring and training employees, and starting production. By following this step-by-step guide, you can set yourself up for success in the exciting world of plastic injection molding. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck on your new venture.